couch rather. How's it coming, buddy?
Looking good.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that looks good.
Teaching you how to play Clue, Manny? This is the Grinch Clue, huh?
Look, we've already drawn 4.
Oh no. Is the Grinch gonna steal Christmas?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
We're making this country white bread tonight, y'all, so that we can have it for breakfast in the morning. We're gonna make stuffed French toast 3 different ways. So we've got the yeast packet in here. It came with the bread mix. Now you put this warm water, Jonah. Jonah's gonna help me. He's putting 1 cup of warm water. And then at first we're just gonna put 1 spoonful of the bread mix in there, okay? So you can just do 1 spoon, this will be good. It's about 1.5 tablespoons. Put that in there and stir it all together, and we're going to let that sit for 5 minutes. We want to go ahead and make the bread tonight. That way we have a fresh white country loaf to make our stuffed French toast with. Okay, so let's see. Once it sits for 5 minutes, the yeast pack came with the bread mix. I can't remember if I said that. I also can't remember where we got this from. It was either one of the country stores that we go to, or at first I thought it was the Nora Mills granary, but this says New Hope Mills. So I'm not sure where we got this from. Maybe the apple orchard or something. Oh, you know what? Maybe we got it at that Amish store. Remember that little Amish store we stopped at? Anyway, we got this from somewhere. It's called New Hope Mills Country White Bread Mix. And it is bread machine friendly. We need 3 tablespoons of melted butter. So while we're waiting on the 5 minutes to be up, I'll melt the butter. How much did I say? 3 tablespoons. Okay, there's our 3 tablespoons of butter. I cleaned my microwave the other day and it keeps taking me by surprise every time I open it. Yeah. We're making bread. Alright, Jonah's putting in the rest of the bread mix, and then we'll just all that, yep, dump all that in. And we'll put the dough hook attachment on there and go ahead and start mixing it. And then I'm just going to let this butter cool down just a little bit before we add it in. Scrape it off the dough hook. Can you do a light spray of the cooking spray on the mixing bowl? I'm just going to leave it in the mixing bowl. Now, we'll put this back in here, and we're just going to cover it with a clean, dry towel. It's going to rise for 45 minutes. Good morning. We've got bacon in the oven, the bread sliced up. We're gonna mix up our egg and milk mixture in here to dip the stuffed French toast in. This is a pasta bowl that I got from Aldi. I think back in the summer it works perfect for French toast dipping. So I have a lot of egg whites right here. We use just egg yolks for some different ice cream things that we make, so we always have a lot of extra egg whites left. So we're gonna use that for our French toast mixture. That was probably about 4 egg whites there. Now we'll put some milk. And I think I will put a little bit of cinnamon. Just a little. Now we'll whisk all that together. We'll come over here and start assembling the stuffed French toast. We have just regular, plain cream cheese spread, strawberry, and blueberry. So we're gonna make blueberry stuffed French toast, strawberry, and a peanut butter banana. With the peanut butter banana one, we're gonna use the plain cream cheese. Now, I have another loaf of just regular bread in the cabinet, so we'll probably end up having to use some of that. We'll start with a blueberry one first. So for the blueberry one, we're just spreading on some of the blueberry cream cheese spread. And I'm gonna put a few fresh blueberries in here. I'm just gonna make one of each, and as the kids come in here, they can decide which one they want, and if I need to, I'll make another one of whichever kind. Okay, so now we'll take this one over here. We'll dip this into the egg mixture. Put it straight into the pan. And I'll make the strawberry one next. Strawberries kind of thin. There's the strawberry one. Now I'll just keep a watch on these for when they're ready to turn. We're going to start the peanut butter banana one. Almost ready, not quite. That one's almost ready. Oh, I think our bacon's ready. Yep, the strawberry's ready too, and I think the bacon's ready to come out. Trying the blueberry.
That's really good.
A strawberry one, a blueberry one, a banana one, or a plain? I thought so. Do you want a banana to go with it?